No signs of a recession. The word today from the Bank of Jamaica, BOJ. The BOJ Governor, Richard Biles, addressed the issue at the central bank's quarterly press briefing this morning. Our business reporter, Javon Keys, has the details.
Record high gas prices, the cost of food, services and transportation also trending upwards. Experiences which bring back memories of the Great Recession in 2008 when markets collapsed, the securities and job markets plummeted and government cost-cutting measures prevailed. Inflation as at April 2022 was 11.8% and consumers have been warned to expect even higher prices as global supply chain challenges continue. The looming threats are driving concerns of massive economic decline, and the Bank of Jamaica's decision to increase interest rates is also fueling jitters. Governor of the Bank of Jamaica, Richard Biles, says, however, there are so far no signs to indicate the threat of a recession.
When you look on the labor statistics, we don't see it. When we look at the GDP outturn for December, we don't see it. So we feel pretty confident that we are not yet putting the economy at risk to the extent of putting it into a recession.
You'd notice, Huntley, that we haven't really shifted our forecast significantly. As the governor says, we are still looking at 2 to 4% for this fiscal year. And in calibrating these forecasts, we take into account
In fact, despite the 450 basis points being added to the central bank's policy interest rate over the last 9 months, coupled with the Ukraine-Russia crisis, Senior Deputy Governor at the BOJ, Dr. Wayne Robinson, says the economy is still projected to grow this fiscal year.
We haven't really shifted our forecast significantly. As the governor says, we are still looking at 2 to 4% for this fiscal year. And in calibrating these forecasts, we take into account the policy adjustments that we have made. And on balance, because most of the